exercise 4.4, page number 67, question number 1. Construct the following quadrilaterals. So we are having two parts in the question. We are going to start with the part 1. In the part 1, we are having quadrilateral DEAR. First of all, we are going to draw the rough sketch. So this is the rough sketch we are having. D, E, A, and this is the R. Now DE is equal to the 4 centimeter, EA is equal to the 5 centimeter, AR, this one we are having as the 4.5 centimeter, angle E, this one we are having as 60 degree, and angle A, this one we are having as the 90 degree. So this is the rough sketch we are having. Now we are going to construct this one. First of all, we are going to draw DE is equal to the 4 centimeter, this one. So this is the DE is equal to the 4 centimeter we are having. Now angle E is equal to the 60 degree. So we are going to construct the angle at the point E as 60 degree. We can construct this one with the help of compass and D both. So suppose this is the angle of 60 degree we are having. Now we know that the EA is equal to the 5 centimeter. So we are going to take 5 centimeter measurement on the compass and E as the center we are going to draw an arc. Suppose this is the arc we are having. So this is the 5 centimeter and this is the point A we are having. Now angle A is equal to the 90 degree we are having. Now at the point of A we are going to construct the angle of 90 degree with the help of compass or D both we can construct this one. So suppose this is the angle of 90 degree we are having. Now this is the angle of 90 degree we are having. Now we are going to take 4.5 measurement on the compass and A as the center we are going to draw an arc. So suppose this is the arc we are having. From here to here, this one is the 4.5 centimeter and this is the point R. Now we are going to join R with the D. So this is the DEAR we are having. So this is the required quadrilateral DEAR. Now we are going to write the steps of construction. So I'm going to write here steps of construction. First of all, we are going to draw line segment DE is equal to the 4 centimeter. Now we are going to draw angle E is equal to the 60 degree. Now we are going to put, or you can write here draw. I'm going to write here draw an arc as 5 centimeter from the point E. So we are going to draw the arc. Now the intersecting point will be the point A. The intersecting point will be point A. Now this is the A point we are having. Now we are going to draw angle A is equal to the 90 degree. We are going to draw the angle of the 90 degree at the point A. Now we are going to draw an arc A as center of 4.5 centimeter. So this will be the 4.5 centimeter. Now we are going to write here the next step. I am going to write here. This is the step 7. The intersecting point will be the point R. This one. So we can write here the next one. Join. I'm going to join D with the R. Join D with R. So this is the required quadrilateral DEAR we are having with the steps of construction. This is the part 1. Now comes to the part 2. In the part 2, we have to draw the quadrilateral TRUE. So first of all, we are going to draw the rough sketch. So I'm going to write here rough sketch. This quadrilateral we are having is the TRUE. E. Now in this one, TR is equal to the 3.5 centimeter, RU is equal to the 3 centimeter, UE is equal to the 4 centimeter, angle R is equal to the 75 degree. This is the 75 degree and angle U is equal to the 120 degree we are having. So these are the measurements which we have given, and this is the rough sketch of the figure we are having. Now we are going to construct this one. For that one, first of all, we are going to draw TR line segment with 3.5 centimeter. Now we are going to draw the angle R as 75 degrees. So we will construct this one with the help of D. So this is the angle of 75 degree we are having. Now we know that RU is equal to the 3 centimeter. So we are going to take the measurement of 3 centimeter and R as the center we are going to put an arc. So this is the 3 centimeter we are having. Now we know that this is the point U and the angle U is equal to 120 degree we are having. So U as the point, we are going to draw the angle of 120 degree. So this is the angle of 120 degree we are having. Now we are having the measurement of UE as equal to the 4 centimeter. So U as the center, we are going to draw an arc with the measurement of 4 centimeter. So we are going to take 4 centimeter on the compass and U as the center, we are going to draw an arc. So this is the point E we are having. Now we are going to join this E with the T. So this is the TRUE quadrilateral we are having. This is the 4 centimeter, this is the 3 and this is the 3.5 centimeter. Now we are going to write the steps of construction. So I'm going to write here steps of construction. The first one we are having, we have to draw line segment TR is equal to the 3.5 centimeter. Now we are going to draw angle R is equal to the 75 degree. Now we are going to draw the arc. Draw an arc as 3 centimeter from the point R. So the intersecting point will be the U. The intersecting point is the point U. Now we are going to draw angle U is equal to the 120 degree. This one. Now we are going to draw an arc equal to 4 centimeter from the point U. Now I'm going to write here. The intersecting point will be the intersecting point will be the point E. Now we can join E with the T. So I'm going to write here the intersecting point will be the E. Then the quadrilateral TRUE is the required quadrilateral. So this is the required quadrilateral we are having. This is the part 2. With this one we have completed the question number 1 and the exercise 4.4. In the next video we are going to start with the exercise 4.5.